naghahanap ka ng unlimited at quality na Chinese and Taiwanese cuisine, siguradong magugustuhan mo dito. Let's try Feast All You Can ng Lugang Cafe located sa SM City North EDSA. For only 888 pesos, meron ka ng unlimited xiaolong bao, steamed chicken feet, vegetarian dumpling, pork wonton, tofu, Taiwanese omelette, fried rice, soup of the day, noodles of the day, at unlimited iced tea. At one main dish per person. Itry na natin ang kanilang unlimited. For dim sum, steamed pork xiaolong bao, masarap siya for me at malasa. Steamed chicken feet with black bean sauce. Grabe, sobrang lambot. Hindi ako kumakain talaga ng chicken feet pero ito panalong panalo sa tender at lasa. At for appetizer, this tofu with preserved egg and pork floss. Hindi ko in-expect na manamis yung lasa. One of my favorite. Pork wonton in spicy chili oil. Umami taste. Mas masarap with combination of chili oil. Vietnamese egg roll. Hindi ko in-expect na sobrang sarap pala nito, as in. Sobrang sarap. Perfect siya ipang ulam. Taiwanese omelette. Masarap din siya at malasa. Fried rice of the day. Normal yung lasa for me pero masarap din to. Noodles of the day. Okay naman siya. Tasty din. The best kainin to pag mainit-init pa. Let's try naman sa main dish. Beef tenderloin with crispy garlic. Ang tasty din nito. Kakaiba yung lasa pero masarap. Roast pork belly. Okay siya sa akin, malasa, tender. Nakakabusog ito and quality rin yung lasa niya. Overall, masarap naman lahat. Sulit dito. Kaya babalik ako dito next time. See you on my next cravings!